Hi students, today our topic is coordinate geometry exercise 7.1. In the fifth question, in a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in given diagram. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, don't you think, Champa asked Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? So, Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So, which of them is correct? See, observe this. First, identify the points. Given in diagram, points are, what is the A? A is, say observe this, 3, 4. So, A is 3, 4. X coordinate is 3, Y coordinate is 4. Comma, B point. What is the B? So, here see 6, 7. 6, 7. And C point, 9, 4. C point, X coordinate is 9, Y coordinate is 4. Last, D point, 6, 1. 6, 1. See students, we know that ABCD is a square, suppose. Okay. What is the properties of a square? We can identify. How we can identify? Say ABCD is a square means all sides are equal and the diagonals also equal. Okay, all sides are equal and diagonal also equal. So you observe that AB, BC, CD, DA. First you should find that all sides. Okay, AB side. We know the formula, distance between A and B. Okay, square root of, you know the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. That equals to square root of 6 minus 3 whole square. That is 3 square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. That is 3 square. That equals to square root of, this is 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 we can write 3 root 2. 9 2 is 18, square root 9 is 3, square root 2 units. Next, AB finish. Now BC. BC equal to square root of 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. This is also same. 9 minus 6 is 3 square plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square. That is 3 square plus minus 3 whole square. Here minus 3 whole square, that is also we get positive side. 9 plus 9, 18. Square root 18. This is also 3 root 2 units. Next, BC finish. Now CD. CD equal to square root of, okay, square root of 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So that equals to, this is also same. 6 minus 9 whole square is minus 3 whole square. Square root of minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 means minus 3. This is whole square. So minus 3 whole square means 9. Minus 3 whole square is 9. This is total square root 18. Square root 18 is 3 root 2 units. So next, CD finish. Now dA. dA. That equals to square root of 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. That equals to square root of this is also same, minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. That equals to root 18, that is 3 root 2 units. Okay, now you observe this. AB equal to BC equal to CD equals to D. Four sides are equal. Four sides are equal. Then square, okay, all sides are equal, and rhombus also all sides are equal. So in rhombus, diagonals not equal, but in square, diagonals equal. So diagonals means here AC is diagonal and DB is also another diagonal. So you should find that AC and BB. Now AC equal to, what is that AC? A is 3, 4, C is 9, 4. Now you observe this, square root of 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. That equals to 9 minus 3 whole square is, that is 6 square. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 square is 0. 6 square plus 0 is 6 square. So square and square root here get cancelled. We get 6 units. Next, AC complete. Now DB or BD. DB distance of a DB. Okay, DB. Now 6 minus 6 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square. That equals to 6 minus 6, 0. 0 square is 0 plus 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 square. Square and square will get cancelled. 6 units. You observe this. All sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All sides are equal and diagonal also equal. Diagonals also equal. So here this is sides. Diagonals. Diagonals. Diagonals what? AC equal to DB. All sides are equal. Diagonals also equal. So therefore ABCD is a square. Who is the correct? Champa is correct. See now, sixth question. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Okay. These points are which quadrilateral? First question, second question, third question. So total 3 questions given. So one by one you observe it. Okay. Here see, first one. Sixth item in first question. So here given points -1, -2. Okay, let we have to take A, B 1, 0, C -1, 2 and D -3, G. So observe this one. These points are which quadrilateral? These points are which quadrilateral? You can identify. So square means you know that. Okay, all sides are equal, diagonals also equal. Okay. Rhombus means all sides are equal, diagonals different. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals not equal. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Okay, in this one, which one is satisfied? See, solution. So how to identify? First, same previous, okay, problem how to do AB, BC, CD, DA distances. You should find that. Okay, first of all, AB distance, square root of 1 minus of minus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That equals to square root of 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2, that is 2 square, 2 square is 4, plus minus into minus plus, then 2 square, this is also 4. So that equals to, this is 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, so 8 we can write 2 root 2 units. Okay, next BC, that equals to square root of minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that equals to square root of minus 1 whole square, that is 4, minus 2 whole square, that is 4, plus 2 square is 4. This value also 2 root 2 units. Okay, next BC finish. Now CD. CD equals to square root of minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, that equals to minus 3 minus of minus plus minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square is 4, plus here minus 2 whole square is 4, that equals to this also 2 root 2 units. Next, last side, DA. DA equals to square root of minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. This one. Minus 1 minus into minus plus. Okay. Plus 3 minus 1. That is 2. 2 square is 4. Plus this is minus 2 whole square. That is also 4. This value also 2 root 2 units. Okay. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Okay. Now in that one rhombus are square. Which one we don't know. So that one we want means you should find that first of all diagonals. Okay. These are sides. These are sides. Now diagonals. Diagonals. Okay. Diagonals you should find that. Side. Diagonals values. AC, distance of AC, that equals to, what is the distance of AC? Same formula you can use that. Square root of, okay, minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square 2 minus of minus 2 whole square, that equals to minus of minus plus. Okay, so this is what we get, 0 minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 square is 0, minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 4, that is square root of 4 square, square and square root get cancelled, 4 units. Next, AC finish. Now DB. Now DB. Distance of a DB. DB, that equals to, what is the DB value? So now same formula, square root of, okay, square root of minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, that equals to square root of, this is minus 3 minus 1 whole square, that is minus 4 whole square, that is 4 square. Square and square will get cancelled. We get 4 units. So all sides are equal and diagonals also equal. So it is a square. AB equal to sides. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to D. Diagonals. AC equal to BB. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. So given points can form a square.